Hey y'all, my name is Pamela Sanan. I'm a senior solution architect here at Lovelytics in the energy and utilities practice, and today I'm really excited to talk to you guys about energy trading. So we had a challenge where a large-scale utility came to us. They were entering a new day-ahead market, and what they had currently was a bunch of analysts that were working in data silos, working through Excel spreadsheets, trying to wrangle and manipulate data, and they weren't able to come to insights at a fast pace that was needed for this new market. So this opportunity demanded a more intelligent, predictive, and analytical platform to their data and decision-making so that their existing processes could be enhanced to support maximizing revenue from this new market participation. So with that, the solution was that Lovelytics built a unified Databricks lakehouse. It's consolidated a lot of disparate data sources like their market data, weather data, settlement data, etc., all into a single trusted and governed platform. This included a lot of streaming and real-time ingestion to also make sure that we were bringing in all of the unit actuals to be able to compare everything. Given our lakehouse, we were then able to leverage Genie AI BI and Databricks apps to deliver a real-time and day-ahead market solution, which provided AI-driven actionable intelligence. So what this does is it enables traders to be able to optimize their bidding strategies as well as mitigate any risks. So with this solution, the utility transformed from a reactive and manual process to a more proactive AI-powered trading operation. We were able to enhance the utility and provide 30% operational efficiency gains, 10 times faster time to insights, freeing up a lot of the traders from these manual processes and be able to focus their time more on things like optimizing their strategy, as well as providing them with a $40 million incremental margin. Given that, let's go ahead and jump into the solution itself. So this here is our bidding strategy assistant. It is a Databricks app that is built on top of Lakebase and Genie. So at the top here, you'll see our KPIs, which kind of shows you how well your trading platform is doing. You can see things like your total P&L, what your mitigation rate looks like, and what your risk is. So this is a great kind of bird's eye view in terms of how is our platform actually doing. Then when we look into some of these charts, we can see how our submitted bids are actually comparing to like what the quote unquote perfect bid would be in order to maximize that P&L. And then we've also got a bid versus DEB risk visualizer, which essentially just shows you what is the mitigation probability of when you're submitting a bid, and are you actually close to the market, or is the market really hitting you hard and you're having some issues in terms of leaving revenue on the table. Given all of this data, what we've built on top of this, and I think the coolest part of the demo is Agentbricks. So we're looking at, on the right side here, this bid assist functionality where Genie will actually go and take a look at all of this data, all of these tables, machine learning models, and actually give you recommendations on how we can optimize our bidding strategy. So if we click into this build package, we can see the rationale, the data that's being pulled behind this bidding strategy, and what this build package would actually do. So traders can come and look at this, build confidence that this is an actual strategy that makes sense, and then they have the opportunity to either accept, modify, or reject the bid, and that's integrated with your downstream ETRM system. So this in the whole is essentially an agentic workflow that can work where traders can look, see how their bids are doing, and how they can optimize those bids. We've also got a scenarios tab that shows you can test kind of different scenarios before you submit those bids as well. So if you want to gain more confidence in the data, you can kind of come in here and you can look at your comparisons and your what ifs, and traders can kind of play around with the data in a really easy fashion in order to kind of maximize what their profit should look like. Last but not least, we've also integrated an Ask Genie functionality, so we can, any traders that are coming in that may not be proficient in SQL or really know how to work with the backend can work with natural language here and talk to a chatbot in order to understand the data that is feeding all of our bid strategies. If you're interested to learn more about this demo, please reach out to Lovelytics.